Alright, this is gonna be my bike check. First I gotta, grab it. Here's my bike. This is my bike. Doing a bike check. I got a 2012 model Verde prism. Start off, I got ODI long neck super soft grips in blue. Very comfortable. I want to say these are Verde region bars, matte gray, came stock. The versatile hold tight top load stem. Then I'm not sure what this frame is, but I know it's Verde. Got Verde forks. The frame, forks, and bars are all stock. That's about it. That's stock. Then I have Duo SVS tires with blue sidewall. I like them. I mean, they're street and park tires. But I got the Cinema 333 rims with the Cinema front up. Then I got alloy valve caps from Dancecom. Then these are I want to say these are dual cranks, but I'm not sure about that. The Cult Member V2 sprocket. I think that was like $50. I got the Cult 410 chain.